Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this update on Aptos, or the APT coin, which has just reached our price target. This was not my last analysis, but last analysis I said that I expected us to, I believe, consolidate on top of 12.5 and $12 and then at some point be able to get to our price target, which is this entire level between 14.5 and 15.5, basically surrounding $15, which is, well, as most of you can see, we are reaching all-time highs. So psychological levels then, just as a little bit of education, I guess, are very strong then. And usually what you see is that you have a little bit of a key level around that, which was confirmed right here as well. So we reached that price target. And we'll talk a little bit about what's happening with Aptos right now a little bit later. But now the main question obviously is can we also get to our next price target? Which, again, we're in unknown territory. We don't know what the resistance levels are here. I mean, maybe if you go to the 1 minute time frame, you can see some things in this move, but I doubt it. So the big level I think we're going to react to is 17.5, and then just above that you'll have 19.5 up to $20. But let's just focus on that first price target first at 17.5, which is from where we are right now, still like a 12% away or something like that. Let's see, yeah, 13.5% was a good guess. So I think that's a little bit more of a valid question. So let's get right into it. But first, let's talk a little bit about the volume. Right now, the volume is 1.6 billion, which is absolutely crazy. I mean, all right, compared to the market cap, it's not even the market cap, but still, it's a huge amount of money. Compare that to other cryptos, and Aptos all of a sudden is in the top 6, which is a little bit crazy. All right, even though threshold is there as well, it doesn't matter. It's still a little bit crazy. But that's just that's just the way it is. If you take a look at the source of the volume as well, there's just the risk right now with Aptos is very large. Again, there's a lot of volume coming from Korea. And even though I could still make some arguments on whether that's just Korean institutions or market makers buying in, right now it just seems like Aptos is manipulated. There are rumors about that on crypto Twitter as well, which I could not verify any of that, but still there is some shady things going on. So please be careful, because, and I'm calling it now, Aptos could very well be crashing sometime soon. But that all depends on the price action, of course. So let's discuss that. Right now what we're trying to do is we're trying to get to 17.5, as I said. But what we want to do for that is to really, and I think we'll be able to do that. So this candle closes in about, this candle closes in 3 hours. We still have some time. But what we want to do, and I think there's a big chance that we are going to do that, is we want to close above at least 14.5, so that we have at least some sort of a support level. And then if we can actually close above 14.5 and consolidate, and then get a bullish breakout again, for example on top of $16, it kind of depends on where the top wick will be, then we can actually get to 17.5. But the big thing is, and please be careful, because it's very risky to trade Aptos right now. The big thing is that even though I think we'll be able to break above 14.5, if we do not hold that level, so we'll probably find some support there, but if we do not hold it, or we do not get another bullish breakout above $16, what's going to happen is that it will break, will drop down to $13, and I think we'll instantly drop down to this level around $11 as well. The thing is that $15 is, it could very well be the last resistance level. This could very well be the moment that we're going to crash down. So sure, if we can actually break above 14.5 and hold it, and then get another bullish breakout, which presumably is above $16 then, or we would try to break above $16 then we have actually proven that we, first of all, have the bullish momentum, and that this move was at least valid. But yeah, it's just I think we got that bullish breakout above 14.5, but I think there's quite a big chance that we will not hold it. And if 14.5 as a support level does not hold, we'll drop down to I think at least 11.5, but it could be way worse. So yeah, that's my take on Aptos. I'm not trying to be a doomsayer or something. But this is just realistically what I think, and I'm just trying to, I mean, sure, you could trade Aptos still, but I would definitely use some tight stop losses. Like for example, I'm not taking this trade, I'm staying out of this, but for example, if you want to trade all the way up to 17.5, which is a risky bet, but still, if you want to do that, then you could do something like this, on top of 14.5. But then just please use a tight stop loss somewhere at like 13.8, because it could very well be, as I said, that if 14.5 breaks, that we're in a whole lot of trouble. And with this, you can at least kind of sell it to yourself with a 3.5 risk reward, right? So yeah, that's but that's I'm not taking this trade, but just to explain how to be cautious while trading Aptos. But that's my take on Aptos for now. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.